Hi, welcome to Beyond Click. I am Moksh Krishnan, the owner of this website, and today we are going to talk about some of the fundamentals of photography. In today's chapter, we'll cover exposure. Exposure is a very important element of photography, and the main elements that comes under exposure are: first is aperture, second is shutter speed, and third comes our ISO. We can talk about this one by one. Today we are talking about shutter speed. Shutter speed simply means for how long your shutter is open and the light is coming inside your camera. It is a very important part of exposure. For correct exposure, you have to understand shutter speed and its uses at different situations. Shutter speed can be used creatively for different kind of results, but for a standard photograph, you have to set it according to the light available. It also depends on other factors like aperture and ISO. So if now we talk about aperture can be called as opening of the iris in camera. It can simply also be termed as amount of light that travels inside your lens and goes to the sensor. Aperture is determined by fractions, and smaller the number gets, larger the iris of the camera gets, and vice versa. Aperture also determines the depth of field in your photograph. It is very important to be considered as whatever you like to shoot, you want it as a shallow depth of field or you want the depth of field to be deep. It also helps you to convey the subject and convey the message that you want to convey with your photographs. The third element being ISO. Many less people consider it to be a part of exposure, but if we talk about digital age, it is one of the very important element. ISO simply tells you the sensitivity of your camera towards light. If you go higher in ISO, your photographs would get grainy as your camera is more sensitive to the light coming inside it. If you keep a lower ISO, your photos would be more sharp. Combining to aperture and shutter speed, at some situations you have to go higher in the ISO, but you have to take in consideration all three elements and combine it to make a specific exposure that helps you to tell your story with the photograph. Exposure is one of the main and fundamental thing that you should learn before getting into serious type of photography, or if you want to pursue it as more than a hobby. You should always work on manual mode and sharpen your skills with all three of them. With time you'll get better at it for sure. If we talk now, we'll talk about the buttons from where you can set these three things. ISO can be set from a shortcut or from going into the menu. The shortcut button is this, and from menu you can go and find the ISO and change further. For aperture, the button is, you can go both ways, frontal and backwards. For shutter speed, the buttons are. For determining the right exposure, you can also take the help of the exposure meter, which is available in the latest digital SLRs that we get. You can view this exposure meter from your viewfinder. The exposure meter should be around 0 whenever you are taking a photograph. It would serve as a support system for you to determine the right exposure and click the right pictures.